Got a minute? We can make this.
Light and flaky homemade biscuits made with only 4 ingredients. Yes, 4 ingredients to comfort food heaven. Here's what you'll need: Bisquick, sour cream, butter, and 7-Up. Take a half a cup of butter and melt it, then pour it into a 9x12 baking sheet. Start with 4 cups of Bisquick and add 1 cup of sour cream and 1 cup of 7-Up. Mix together by hand until combined. Spread about a cup of Bisquick onto a cutting board and then spoon the dough over it. Gently incorporate the Bisquick into the dough and then press it out to about a 1/2 inch thick. With a 3-inch cookie cutter, punch out the biscuits and lay them right over the butter. Bake for about 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. How about homemade blueberry jelly for the biscuits? Add a pint of blueberries and 1/3 cup of sugar to a pot. Cook for about 20 minutes or until thick. These biscuits are so light and flaky. Stack them on a platter, and while they're still warm, spread some butter and that jelly right on top. They're delicious for breakfast or with a nice piping hot bowl of chili. Homemade biscuits, comfort food at its finest.
Have fun in the kitchen 1 minute at a time.
1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.